example. Okay, go figure. Inga is now trapped in the pyramid of peril. The pyramid has a square base with each side being 50 meters and has a height of 40 meters. Determine the length of the slant edges. So here is a picture of the pyramid of peril. Here is Inga inside the pyramid of peril. Okay, so it's got a square base, 50 meters on each side, and then the height here is 40 meters.
Sherry Sandlin to the guidance office, please. Sherry to the guidance office.
Okay, so let's get Inga out. So, again, we're trying to figure out the length of the slant edge. So what they are asking us to find is this thing right here. We were trying to figure out how long that is. Alright, so in order to do that, we need to know what this side is. Okay, so in order to figure out that side, we got to do, the only thing we know on this triangle here is that this is 50 meters. So let's do this. Let's draw. Golly, that is not a great triangle, but that's all right. We'll make it work. So this triangle here is, again, what I'm trying to draw is this here. Okay, so this is 50 meters, and this is 50 meters, and I'm going to figure out what this is here, because then I know, once I figure that out, then since this is a square, these diagonals right here will cut this exactly in half, so then we'll know what both of those are. Well, it'll be half of this. So a squared plus b squared equals c squared. The c is x, and then the others are 50 squared and 50 squared. Alright, so let's calculate those out. 50 squared plus 50 squared gives us 5,000. Oops, 5,000 equals x squared. So then we want to take the square root of that. Square root of 5,000 is 70.71. Let's just go with 70.7 meters. Alright? So now that's the length of this entire side here. We want to know what just half of that side is to figure out what these pieces are here. So 70.7 divided by 2 gives us 35.35. So we now know that these here are 35.35 and this here is 35.35. Now that we know that this is 35.35 and this is 40, now we can figure out what that slant length is there. Alright, so to figure out that slant length, a squared plus b squared equals c squared. So again, the hypotenuse is the piece that we're looking for. So we'll leave that. They've got that as S for slant. So we'll try that. And we've got 40 squared plus 35.35 squared. Alright, so 40 squared plus 35.35 squared gives us 2849.6. equals S, and these are squared, right? So we square root both of those. Take the square root of this answer here, and we get 53.38. And this is all in meters, equals the slant height. So the pyramid of peril has a slant height of 53.38 meters. The pyramid of peril has a slant height of 53.38 meters. Alright, and that's what we were looking for. Okay, if you have any questions, feel free to ask. Thanks.